welcome. Today we explore how student-centered teaching combined with AI tools can make STEM learning more meaningful, accessible, and personalized for every student. That's why we come up with this project entitled Empowering Science and Math Students Through Student-Centered with the Aid of AI Tool for Effective Learning. Students in Presidio ISD tackle top STEM problems every day. AI can remove barriers, tailor instruction to each learner, and connect lessons to the real-world context so students feel more confident and engaged. Student-centered learning focuses on inquiry, collaboration, and real tasks. AI supports this by providing adaptive practice, timely feedback, and scaffolds that help students explore deeper. Constructivist theory shows students learn the best by doing. When we give learners autonomy and adaptive supports, motivations and depth of understanding increases. AI tools can provide targeted feedback and reflections prompts for students while freeing teachers time while planning, assessment, and differentiation supports. At the heart of this approach are inquiry, collaboration, and aside from that, researchers shows also AI tutoring can improve performance, diagnose misconceptions, and support state-tested growth when it's integrated thoughtfully into instruction. AI improves assessment quality and supports small group work, but teachers remain essential decision makers, guiding instructions and interpreting insights. Start by aligning AI activities with standard like text, embedding differentiated lessons, and simulations that connect directly to the curriculum goals. So in here, professional development, I think it is good to invest in training, prompt design, and interpreting AI analytics and collaborative planning so teachers can confidently use tools to improve learning. So let teachers lead inquiry while AI handles personalized practice. Ensure transparency and equity in how tools are used and who benefits. AI can cut preparation time, create interactive lessons, support differentiation, and data clear on the student's progress, lifting routine burdens from teachers. Be mindful of needs for teachers' training, device and connectivity gaps, data privacy, and the risk of over-reliance on automation. This must be planned for. Expect better predictions accuracy, richer personalized practice, bigger simulations, and analytics that let teachers focus on high-impact instruction. In short, AI can boost students' confidence, understanding, and problem solving, while teachers use AI-driven insights to guide meaningful instruction. To make this work, commit to equitable rollout, ongoing training, and transparent practices so your schools build sustainable positive exchange. So expanded simulations offer hands-on practice that textbook can match. Use them to give students immerse low-risk opportunities to apply skills. These slides also includes pictures, videos, and examples how AI was used in order to develop. Use them to demonstrate impact, engagement, and development of the performance of our students. Good afternoon, guys. Today is Friday. Thank you. Let's continue building smarter tools and stronger learners for brighter STEM future.